everybody, and welcome to The Grid. Today we're in South Shore and I just got off of the metro stop, and this is the perfect place to start our visit. Okay, so first I'm gonna get a little coffee and breakfast at Chef Sara's Cafe. She is so beloved on this corner, and I'm gonna explore a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to Majani Soulful Vegan Cuisine and have a little lunch. I am with Chef Sara, no H.
You are crazier than I am.
I don't know.
Well, cooking has always been my passion. I grew up in the kitchen. My grandmother cooked, my mother cooked. I couldn't do nothing but cook.
Chef, you've lived here in the neighborhood since 1971.
Correct.
What makes it so special?
What makes this so special to me is because when I first came to Chicago, this was a thriving area. There used to be a grocery store over there. There used to be shoe stores down on 71st Street. I mean, we need all of that back. It's so important. Instead of having to go out of your neighborhood to go shopping, why can't we get everything here in the neighborhood? And that's why I think it's so important for us to try and rebuild our South Shore.
Looking back, are you happy that you landed here in South Shore?
Yes, I am. I live in South Shore, and the people around here love me. They open arms and just wrap their arms around me. I feel like the grandmother of South Shore.
What makes your cafe so special?
What makes it special is the fact that we're on this corner and so much is going on around in this neighborhood, but they come right here to this corner to find out what's going on.
So not only can you feed your stomach, but you feed your soul
as well.
I like that. So tell me about this little strip of businesses here. I love this little, everybody knows each other.
We do.
It's very friendly.
Yes, yes. Not only are we business owners, we're a family. We're a family over here. So all of the businesses have been here except one more than like 5 years. So I feel like these businesses are like a pillar of the community. These are the go-to businesses when they're ready to get their hair done, eat food, have tea, shop for clothes. Yeah. Not only do we do hair at this salon, we also are responsible for uplifting the community. I feel like my business, not only, we don't want to just take from the community as far as taking money, we actually like to give back. Yeah. People come here to find out, hey, what's going on in the community? What can I do? Are you all having an event? Blah, blah, blah. So it's more than just a hair salon here. It's more than, you know, we talk about a lot of the topics. Anything that's going on in Chicago, we talk about it here.
But I think it's important for people to know that, like, it's, you know, there's a resiliency to living here, because it's not like you have a ton of resources as some other neighborhoods, right?
Yes. The resources are few in the neighborhood, but we've been able to do with the resources that we have here.
Which is why you guys everybody takes care of one another.
Yes.
Hey everybody, I'm here with my favorite husband and wife duo. Not only are they married and run a business together, but they're both healers. Ahava, tell us about Zion's Wellness Center.
I initially had a store across the street, and Tim became my master herbalist, and we decided to open up a store together.
And Timothy, is what you do sort of similar to Reiki?
Yes, but that's not the complete scope of practice, but Reiki is a part of our healing modalities that we provide here, along with crystal therapy, aromatherapy, massage therapy, etc.
And of course, tea.
Yes, yes.
Because you guys are also a tea house.
Yes, yes. We carry different fun teas that you can enjoy, green teas, and we have detox teas. And if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, and things like that, to make you up a good old batch.
Why did you pick South Shore?
Well, I grew up in South Shore, you know, and sometimes you gotta come back home. We love the fact that the beach is accessible, and we can go there and meditate and do yoga, and then hang out with our children too.
Yes, I'm healed now. Tranquility.
This is where we live.
This is where you live?
This is where we live. We walk to work a lot of times. I've lived in South Shore for over 25 years. We wanted to be in South Shore because this neighborhood needed a place for healthy eating options.
Especially since there's not a grocery store nearby.
That is maddening to me. And I'm gonna tell you, that really was one of the things that fueled me, like, what do we need to do in order to bring healthy eating options into this community? So, you know, going to Hyde Park or South Loop was out of the question. We had to take care of home first. South Shore is an eclectic mix. You know, you have a lot of white-collar workers that get on the train right here across the street and go to work every day. And you have low-income housing.
What are your hopes for the South Shore community, Chef?
My hope for the South Shore community is that it becomes a healthy, walkable community.
Congratulations on 1 year here. How are you feeling? How has the neighborhood embraced you?
It's been quite the whirlwind for me. The enormous support that we're getting from the neighborhood, outside the neighborhood, has been tremendous. It's been undescribable. We weren't expecting as much of a volume that we get, but we greatly appreciate it, that's for sure.
To find all of these places we highlighted in today's video, head to the Chicago Sun-Times website. See you next time on The Grid.